Is your bank secretly holding you back from riches? Probably not, but here's why Questrade might be better. Have you ever dreamt of building wealth beyond your savings account? Maybe you saw a friend crushing it in the stock market, or that documentary about early retirement got you fired up. The good news? You don't need $1 million to start investing. But where do you even begin? Banks seem like the obvious choice, but are they secretly clipping your wings? That's where Questrade, a discount brokerage, comes in. Now, before we dive into the Questrade versus bank debate, let's be clear, banks are fantastic for what they do. They keep your money safe, offer easy access, and might even give you a decent interest rate, although those days seem to be fading fast. But when it comes to investing, there are some key differences to consider. Round 1, fees. This is where things get interesting. Banks typically charge fees for everything: trade commissions, account maintenance, and even transfer fees. These might seem small at first, but they can eat away at your returns over time. Questrade, on the other hand, is a discount broker. That means they focus on low fees, with many trades being commission-free. This can be a game-changer for active investors who make frequent trades. Round 2, investment options. Imagine walking into a candy store with only 3 choices: chocolate, vanilla, and maybe a lollipop. That's kind of what investing at a bank can feel like. They typically offer a limited selection of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, often their own proprietary products. Questrade, however, is like a Willy Wonka wonderland. You've got stocks, bonds, ETFs, options, and even the ability to invest in fractional shares, all with a much wider variety to choose from. This gives you more control and flexibility to tailor your investment strategy. Round 3, research and education. Banks aren't exactly known for their in-depth investment resources. Sure, they might offer a few basic articles, but for serious research, you're pretty much on your own. Questrade, however, steps up their game here. They offer a wealth of educational resources, including webinars, articles, and even stock screeners to help you analyze potential investments. This can be a goldmine for beginners who want to learn the ropes before diving in. Wait, there's a catch, right? Of course, there's always a catch. Unlike your bank with its user-friendly app, Questrade requires a bit more effort. You're essentially taking the wheel and steering your own investment ship. This means doing your research, understanding the risks, and making your own decisions. There's also the temptation factor. Banks tend to push higher fee products that might not be in your best interest. With Questrade, the responsibility falls on you to choose wisely. So, is Questrade the ultimate investment answer? Not necessarily. If you're a super conservative investor happy with your bank savings account interest, Questrade might be overkill. But for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future and potentially grow their wealth beyond what a bank offers, Questrade is a compelling option. It's like graduating from training wheels to riding a real bike. It's a bit more work, but the freedom and potential rewards are much greater. The final verdict, you decide. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Do your research, consider your risk tolerance and investment goals, and then decide which path is right for you. Remember, knowledge is power, and even if you don't choose Questrade, understanding the differences between banks and discount brokers will equip you to make smarter decisions about your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.